Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by launching WeChat on your computer and locating the QR code prompt. This is the action point. Make sure your phone's WeChat is ready with the scanner open. Once done, place your phone close to the monitor so the camera can focus. You're doing this because the PC displays a high-resolution QR image that your phone needs to read. If you signed in before, switch accounts or open the specific scan dialog. That ensures the code on screen is live and scannable. You now perform the actual scan. Open the scanner in WeChat Mobile, tap Me Then Scan or use the camera icon, then point the phone at the PC QR. Move closer or farther until the camera autofocus locks. Small adjustments reduce blur and glare. If the screen is glossy, tilt the monitor slightly or dim room lights to cut reflections. While scanning, hold the phone steady for a second longer than feels necessary. Because the app validates the code, you finish by approving the prompt on your phone. Tap Confirm to authorize the PC action and wait for WeChat Desktop to sync chats. If nothing happens, try rescanning immediately. Sometimes the QR expires and a new code appears. As a fallback, take a screenshot of the PC QR and open WeChat Mobile's Scanner Gallery option to scan that image. This bypasses camera focus issues. If errors persist, restart WeChat on both devices and check your network. Then try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.